Hi everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I just got done test driving and now I'll be reviewing this 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. This is a 7-passenger LT SUV. Let's check this out. Overall interior smells good, feels good with the heated seats and the soft touch leather, and very well equipped in this LT package Traverse. Power windows, power locks, power and remote mirrors there, automatic headlights, cruise control right here at your fingertips on the leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as hands-free connectivity so you can talk through the car's audio system on your cell phone. Has 69,220 miles on as of the shooting of this video. Not a single warning light on other than my seatbelt light because I am parked and I have taken it off. Coming here to the touchscreen radio, does have AM and FM and a satellite radio, as well as your phone connection there, navigation, weather app, and OnStar right there. Coming down here, heating and air conditioning controls are down here. You can set the driver's side independently from the passenger, or you can sync them together as I have now. There is an auto feature where you can literally set the temperature, hit auto, and it's automatically going to put out the right amount of heat in the right spot. Heated seats here as well up front. Does have connectivity for your phone, 2 USB ports and an auxiliary port, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Nice spot for phone down here. Does have keyless entry, as you can see here, as well as power liftgate and remote start and your alarm all on that keyless entry. Couple beverage holders right here, center shifter, which if you put it all the way down, you can go in and select the gear shift. Just select which gear you're in. Nice big compartment here in the center for your console. Coming over in the passenger side, does have the factory book still in it. I did pull the vehicle history report and it scores really well. You can see it scores a 94, which I always wish I could get a 94 on my test, and it does not have any accident reports or hail damage or water damage. So, all right. Overall interior looks really slick. It's got 2 moonroofs in it, and we'll check out the outside, then we'll peek in the back. This is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 engine, plenty of power going down the road, gets up to 27 miles a gallon on the highway. This is the pearl white paint job, really looks good in the sun, has chrome accenting on the grille as you can see here, does have fog lamps as well. Windshield looks free of any cracks or chips. 20-inch alloy painted machine wheels. Wrapped in Continental tires with a good amount of tread left on the tires as well. Coming back here, fuel fills on the driver's side. Looks really good in that sun, the paint does. Again, this is the LT Traverse. Does have backup monitors here. As you're backing up, it's going to warn you if the kid left their bicycle behind your car. Also, this has blind spot warning that shows up in your side mirrors there. Cargo area back here does flip down for extra storage. Get this here. You can see we'll have to be pushed up a little bit, but it will fold down flat, and you can pull it right back, put it in spot, flip up the headrest. Again, power lift gate, push this button up here, down it'll come. Let's check out the rear. Seating for 7 total in this vehicle, 5 back here. Has nice comfortable leather wrapped seats. Heating and air conditioning controls back here for the back compartment. 2 USB outlets and a 110 volt outlet back here. Easy access into the 3rd row. And again, has the moonlight. Here's your blind spot warning. This is going to show up in both mirrors if someone is in your blind spot. Overall, really clean Chevrolet Traverse, 2018 model, local trade. These are hard to find with that 3rd row seating, total 7 passenger. This one checks out really clean, drives nice. I don't see any issues with this vehicle. If this is something that might interest you, get a hold of us. I'll put a contact information below. As always, financing is available, and we'd love to make an offer on your trade. So thanks for watching, everyone.